All Pro Timber Crown Roofing provides dependable roof leak repair in Longport, New Jersey, finding the source quickly and fixing damaged shingles, flashing, vents, and weak spots before water spreads further. Our crew inspects the roof and attic, explains what caused the leak, and completes practical repairs built to hold up through coastal wind and rain. We work neatly, protect your property, and keep you informed clearly from start to finish. Contact us today for a free consultation. Are you looking for a roof leak repair service near me? You can stop looking. You found All Pro Timber Crown Roofing. What are the common signs of a roof leak? Common signs include water stains, ceiling discoloration, missing shingles, damp attic insulation, peeling paint, mold growth, musty odors, dripping water, damaged flashing, and overflowing gutters after heavy rain. How do you locate the exact source of a roof leak? We inspect shingles, flashing, vents, gutters, valleys, and the attic, tracing water paths, checking moisture, and identifying hidden entry points before recommending the most effective repair solution. What is the service area for your Longport, New Jersey location? Our roof leak repair service has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Longport, Margate City, Somers Point, Linwood, Northfield, Ocean City, Ventnor City, Atlantic City, Pleasantville, Beasley's Point, Marmora, Palermo, Egg Harbor Township, Zion Park, Absecon, Brigantine, Seal City, Avalon, Stone Harbor, and Cape May Courthouse, New Jersey. Where is your Longport, New Jersey roof leak repair service office located? We are located at 202 North Colgate Avenue, Longport, New Jersey 08403. Our phone number is 640-500-2297. Visit our website, aproofer.com/Longport-NJ.